A lunchtime shock for longtime customers of a decades-old Court Avenue restaurant. For the first time in more than 40 years, you won't be able to get your Italian fix at Old Spaghetti Works. The restaurant made that surprise announcement last night that it was shutting its doors for good.
Yeah, now the owners tell us why. Our senior reporter Todd Magel live downtown. Todd, they say it's a problem with the perception of Court Avenue?
Yeah, James and Stacy, first and foremost, they say really it's a financial decision. More than 50 employees are now out of a job. But they say that after the pandemic, the restaurant business really never came back. And they say the perception of crime on Court Avenue didn't help either. Gary and Lana Parrott were upset to find the doors locked at the Spaghetti Works, one of their favorite downtown restaurants.
I think it's sad that it's leaving. Didn't realize it was.
I'm sorry to see it closed. It's been here a lot of years. I started eating here about 43 years ago.
Or do they have Mr. Pibb?
It's the end of an era for one of the first major Court Avenue restaurants to open its doors. But after 45 years, the owners say times have changed.
It's very difficult, and actually we've been discussing this. I mean, this has been ongoing now for the last 3 years.
Spaghetti Works president Shelley Stokes says her two Omaha-based Spaghetti Works restaurants overcame the pandemic slowdown. But the Des Moines restaurant never did. She blames the shift to more stay-at-home downtown office workers in Des Moines and the issue of Court Avenue crime.
There is a perception in the Des Moines area right now that Court Avenue isn't safe. I don't agree with the perception.
You never want to lose a business. I mean, Spaghetti Works has been a part of our community.
Des Moines City Councilman Josh Mandelbaum is aware of that crime perception. That's why last fall the city hired a consultant to come up with new solutions for Court Avenue.
We need to revitalize that Court Avenue district, and we need, again, that diversity of experience so that everyone feels comfortable there.
In the past few years, there have been numerous shootings in and around several Court Avenue bars. And one solution to put up safety fencing didn't set well with Spaghetti Works owners.
You have to change people's mindset, and this is the mindset they've had now for the last 2 or 3 years. That's going to be an uphill battle.
Des Moines City Councilman Josh Mandelbaum says he hopes to see that report that we mentioned in the story about what to do with Court Avenue. He hopes that could be out very soon. By the way, the owners of the business here say they hope to sell the space here on Court Avenue, perhaps to another restaurant. We're live downtown. Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.